Answer the following question by writing out one calculation, including all relevant unit words. How many hours are in 7 centuries? So we'll begin with the number that's given to us. So we know we have 7 centuries at the start. Centuries is our unit. Ultimately trying to get down to the units of hours. So first we're going to go from centuries to years. We know there are 100 years in a century. So the choice is either put centuries on the top and years on the bottom, or reverse that, years on the top and centuries on the bottom. Since we're hoping to cancel the centuries that's already there, what we need is to put centuries down here in the bottom. So that's the choice that we're going to make. So we said centuries in the bottom and years on top. And we know that 1 century is comprised of 100 years. Then we're going to go from years to days. Same idea. We're either going to put years on top or days, and days on the bottom, or the other order. What we need is to cancel the years that's already up here. So what we're going to do is put years right down there so that we can cancel. So we'll put years here and days there. And we know that 1 year is 365 days, not counting leap years, which we'll ignore for this problem. Times, okay, so let's actually start canceling some of these so we can see where we're at. Centuries disappeared, so did years. So now we're up to days, and we're going to go from days to hours. So do you want to multiply by days over hours or hours over days? Since we're trying to cancel the days that's already there, we need to put days down there at the bottom and hours up here at the top. And we know that 1 day is 24 hours. And then we can cancel days and days. And what we're left with as the final unit is the unit we were after, which is hours. How many hours are in 7 centuries? So I think that means we're ready to just type this thing into the calculator, and then we'll have our answer. So started with 7 and then times 100 over 1. And then multiply by 365 over 1. Of course, you don't need to do the over 1s, but I'll just type them in so that everything is up here. Times 24 divided by 1. And so whatever we get here should be the number of hours that is the answer to this problem. 6132000 hours. It's always nice to the reader if you put commas every 3 digits. So a little bit over 6 million hours.